Hello everyone! In the previous video, I showed you the step-by-step process of creating a budget tracker like this one. So today, I will guide you on how to use this template to track your budget. I've already created a black version of the template, so you can download both templates for free on my website under the free templates section. Feel free to choose any templates you like. I've included both color options there. So now let's dive right in the tutorial. So step number 1, you need to set up your budget. At the top, you will find the summary section and charts. No need to edit those. Start by filling the categories and entering your planned amount for each section: income, expenses, savings, bills, and debt. So step number 2, update your actual spending. Each month, open your spreadsheet and update actual column. However, you don't need to enter values directly into the actual money column under expenses. Instead, you can go to the transactions section. Here, you double-click to select the date. Choose any category where you spent the money. Enter the amount. The expenses section will update automatically, and so will the total, summary, and all the charts based on your input. To use this tracker for the next month, simply right-click on the Sheet tab and select Duplicate. And that's it for today's video. It's a short one because I just wanted to introduce how to use these two templates. If you find this budget tracker helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos and free templates. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.